The Dolly Revenge, full story. One evening, a young lady went to a house her auntie was working at as a home health aide. She was in charge of taking care of an elderly person. She stepped in the house, greeted her auntie and her patient, and sat in a chair in the living room waiting. That was when she noticed a little dolly that was on a chair. The dolly was a very peculiar-looking little thing, but somehow she felt drawn to it. She took it up, and out of habit, she squeezed in the dolly forehead. She examined it a little more and put it back down.
Follow Jamaican true stories.
At night she was in bed resting. As she was about to close her eyes, she felt someone hold onto her head and squeeze in her forehead. She immediately jumped up out of the bed frightened and ran to her auntie to tell her what happened. A few days later, she remembered what she did to the dolly on the chair a few days before. But how could that be? As time progressed, she realized that a dark, malevolent entity must have been attached to that dolly and somehow followed her home to seek revenge.
Check out the playlist below for more.